And for today's vlog, we're going to learn on how to update your tax information on Google AdSense for non-US YouTuber. Ayun. Experience nyo ba na pag mag-process kayo at pag pipindutin nyo ito ang lumalabas? Couldn't re-authenticate you, please try again. Ayan. Kaya, kung same tayo nang na-experience, i-follow nyo lang yung video, watch nyo lang para ma-process ninyo successfully ang inyong tax information. Ayan. Mega love shout out to all. Sneak and Pefah. Ayun. Ayun. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa aking latest uploads, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aking channel. Natin ngayon paano mag-update ng ating tax information. Okay? And to begin with, you need to log into your Google AdSense account.
Then, click nyo lang yung Manage Tax Info. Then, sa baba, makikita ninyo na may Add Tax Info. Click nyo lang din yun. Type your password for your Google account. And then, couldn't re-authenticate you. Please try again. So, mga ilang beses ko na itong ginawa, guys. Ganito pa rin ang nangyayari. So, naghahanap ako ng paraan kung saan ako pwede makapag-proceed. So, nakita ko yung highlighted word na Learn More below sa Manage Tax Info. Ayan. So, you just click Learn More. Then next is you need to click Google Payment Center. This under the Provide Tax Information. Sa taas makikita ninyo ang notification bell. Click nyo lang yan. Manage Tax Info. And then Add Tax Info. Retype nyo again yung password nyo sa Google. And then ito yung mga sasagutan ninyo, guys. The United States tax information. So, anong type of account ka? So, individual ba or hindi? So, dahil individual ako, so click lang yung individual. And then, next. So, second question is, are you citizen or resident of the United States? So, I'm not. I'm a Filipino. So, no. Then, next. And then, para sa mga non-US citizen, so, i-click nyo lang yung number 1 option, which is yung W8 ban. And then, next, start W8 ban. W8 ban tax form, so your tax identity. So, kailangan nyo lang isulat or itype yung name of individual, your full name. Yung DBA naman, guys, optional naman siya. And then your country, kung saan kayo saan nyo gusto or saan country kayo. So for myself, Philippines. And then next is your foreign TIN or your taxpayer identification number. So if this is optional, guys, but if you are claiming a tax treaty, so you need to type your number or your TIN number. Then click next. At ayun, nag-error po ang aking name of individual kasi ang nilagay ko is yung middle initial lang talaga and period. So, see to it, guys, na nilagay ninyo ang middle or your full middle name. Wag lang yung letter tsaka period, okay? Para hindi siya mag-error. Ayan. And then, click nyo yung next. Then, next will be your address, your permanent address. Okay, so you just need to key in your country. Which country are you in? Okay. And then next is your address, line 1 or line 2. Mamili lang kayo doon guys kung saan. And then yung suburb naman, yun naman yung sa
Next is
inyong
your
barangay.
city. So,
Kung
Cagayan de
saan
Oro City
barangay
nilagay
kayo.
ko dahil sa Cagayan de Oro City
Ayun.
naman din ako.
Then yung postal code. So, postal code ng Cagayan de Oro City is 9,000. And then your province. So, province of Misamis Oriental. Ayun. Then, if yung mailing address at yung resident address nyo is the same, then you just check the box. Yan. Then, next. For tax treaty, the question is, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Of course, yes. Kasi, yun nga, para mababa ang babayaran or yung tax natin. And then, your country. So, saan country kayo? So, just look for Philippines. Ayan. And then, check the checkbox. Ayan. Special rates and conditions. So, itong tatlong mga options dito guys, dito yung mga Google products na kung saan dito tayo magkakaroon ng income or dito na kayo nagkakaroon ng income. So, kung itong tatlong ito ay gusto ninyo mababa ang rate ng tax dito, i-apply ninyo guys. But for me, kasi dito lang naman ako pwedeng magka-income or magkaka-income sa number 1 option which is yung services such as AdSense. So, just check the box and then next. So, then click the Article 8, Paragraph 1. Okay, yung first na box. And then, beside is the withholding rate. So, click the 0% or reduced treaty rate. Yan. So, para magiging 0 siya.
Then, check the
So,
box.
just check that one.
Okay.
And then next, reduce. Dito guys, makikita niyo yung form. So, pwede niyo siyang i-download para maging tama lahat or para ma-confirm niyo kung tama lahat para meron din kayong basihan bago kayo mag-confirm. Ayan. So, dahil sa isa lang naman ang inano ko, yung services such as Google AdSense, so ito yung form ko guys. Then after that, i-check nyo lang yung I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. So, kailangan totoo lahat ang mga na-fill upan nyo guys or kiniin nyo. And then after that, click next. Dito guys, makikita ninyo your signature. So, kailangan ninyong isulat yung full legal name. So, yung buong pangalan nyo guys. Yung buong pangalan ninyo. And then, are you the person listed in the signature section? Of course, yes. Ako yun. Pero, then, click next. Number 6, activities and services performed in U.S. and affidavit. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within U.S.? The answer is no. Just click no. Okay. Then check the box to certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the U.S. Ayun. And then next guys will be your status change affidavit. Pero kung hindi ka pa nakapagsahod guys, check mo yung first option which is I am providing tax information for a new existing payment that hasn't received payments. Pero kung nagkakasahod na kayo, yung second options ang i-click ninyo. And then submit. Ayan. Then here we go. Approve na ang ating tax information guys. Ayan. So, we are already approved and successfully done. Alright. So, thank you for watching. Proof